Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Here today to talk about turbochargers, Dooner class, and a whole bunch of other things. So we came off a great season last year for Sand Outlaws, took second in mod overall and first in stock class and first in Dooner class. Okay, the Dooner class is really competitive. A lot of, Packard was really strong with their cars last year. So we wanted to come out of the gate swinging this year with more power. So we spent a lot of time refining the 43 and 46 millimeter compressor packages, and this is just one of them. So this car, factory ECU tuned, made 406 to the tire yesterday. We're gonna try to make a little bit more today, and we'll do a live dyno pull after this, but really wanted to focus on making these packages the best they can be. And that kind of power, I mean, 406 wheel horsepower, that's like, 430 or 440 to the hubs, and over 500 engine horsepower. So incredible power from a small turbo. The spool time is instantaneous. All the great things about a small frame turbo are still there, but with a monster top end. So you can see the different dyno pulls we did here at different boost pressures, okay? And the reason why we kind of creep up on it is, first of all, we want to get the VE table really tuned in at the different boost levels so that as we come up through that boost, like coming up on launch control, that everything's clean as we launch the car. But as you can see, I mean, look at how flat the boost curve is and the power curves on these various tunes that we did with the top one being 406. So the ignition on this is pretty tame. It's high boost, but we're just kind of creeping up on the power in this. So we're gonna do one more pull, a little bit more ignition on this run, and we'll show you what kind of power it makes. Oh yeah, 409. Yeah, and like I said, there's a bit more left in it too. This is still pretty conservative on the ignition side. So we have a title to defend this year, especially in the Dooner class. So last year, one of our customers won the series for the year. And this package hopefully will make him more competitive, and all of our other customers that are running that Dooner class more competitive this year.